In this video, we are going to guide you on how to set up and install the Reolink Video Doorbell POE yourself. Before the setup, make sure you have the following items. Also, make sure your phone is updated to the latest version of the Reolink app. To power on the POE doorbell, first, plug the Ethernet cable into its POE port and connect it to the POE switch. Then connect the POE switch to your router's LAN port with another Ethernet cable. The next step, add the doorbell to your Reolink app. You have two options: add it automatically or add it manually. To add your doorbell automatically, you need to make sure your phone is connected to the same network as the doorbell, and the Add Device Automatically option is enabled. Then you'll see your device on the screen. You can just tap it to enter the initialization page. If you choose to add the doorbell manually, tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the doorbell. Or tap Input UID/IP to type in the UID number or IP address. Or tap LAN to scan all the devices within the LAN and add your doorbell from the device list. Note that to scan the devices in LAN, you also need to connect your phone and doorbell to the same network. Lastly, initialize your doorbell. Create the device password and name your doorbell. To set up your Chime, you need to plug in the Chime to power it on, and you will see the status light flash twice and hear 2 beeps, meaning your Chime has been successfully set up, and you will hear a ring if you press the doorbell button. To install the Reolink Video Doorbell POE, first, check if you have the following items. And some tips before the installation. To ensure the image quality, avoid any wall being included in the field of view, as walls may reflect infrared light, resulting in blurry images. And for the best coverage, you are recommended to install the doorbell 1.2 meters high off the ground. You can choose to install the video doorbell directly to the wall. First, put the mounting template on the wall and drill holes as shown. Drill a bigger hole for wiring. Screw the mounting plate into the wall. Then, connect it to the doorbell's POE port and run the Ethernet cable through the wall. Lastly, fix the doorbell to the mounting plate. To install the doorbell using the wedge provided, first put the mounting template on the wall and drill holes as shown. Drill a bigger hole for wiring. Next, screw the wedge into the wall and screw in the mounting plate to the wedge. Then, connect it to the doorbell's POE port and run the Ethernet cable through the wall. Lastly, fix the doorbell to the mounting plate. Done. Now you can press the doorbell button again and check the preview on your Reolink app. Any questions about the setup and installation? Don't hesitate to tell us in the comment or contact our support team.